Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You have heard YouTubers using funny sounds. If yes, then this video is for you, or if you are a creator of YouTube or Instagram, then this is a must-know this website. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. First, open Google and type myinstants.com in this website. You will see buzzers or buttons. They produce sound if you click on it. Also, it is a very user-friendly website. You don't have to even log in or sign up if you don't want to log in or sign up. Don't log in or sign up. You can also download the sound. Now you can listen to these sounds. I know you are also excited, so let's hear them.
जल्दी वहां से हटो जल्दी वहां से हटो You didn't have to cut me off. Now we were nothing. Your love should treat me like you didn't have to cut.
खत्म खत्म बाय
Huh? No,
I
no,
hope
no.
you like this video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon.